If you need to take your Wix site offline for a while, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to easily unpublish your site without losing any of your content or progress. So let's go back to my dashboard. And then here, we're gonna have to go to settings. So let's click on settings, and then here in settings, general, we're gonna have to click on website settings, okay? And then here we have site published, right? But here, right close, we have unpublished. So you're gonna click on unpublish. So unpublish your website. Once it's unpublished, your website won't be visible to visitors. You can also always publish it again from the editor. So let's click on unpublish. And now here, when we are editing our website, now we can simply just click on publish here and publish our website again if we want to. So I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.